Buksan po natin ating Biblia sa Matthew chapter 23 verses 1 to 12. Verse 1. Then Jesus spoke to the multitudes and to his disciples, saying, The scribes and the Pharisees sit in Moses' seat. Therefore, whatever they tell you to observe, that observe and do, but do not do according to their works, for they say and do not do. For they bind heavy burdens, hard to bear, and lay them on men's shoulder, but they themselves will not move them with one of their fingers. But all their works they do to be seen by men. They make their phylacteries broad and enlarge the borders of their garments. They love the best places at feast, the best seat in the synagogue, greetings in the marketplaces, and to be called by men, Rabbi, Rabbi. But you do not be called Rabbi, for one is your teacher, the Christ, and you are all brethren. Do not call anyone on earth your father, for one is your Father, he who is in heaven. And do not be called teachers, for one is your teacher, the Christ. But he who is greatest among you shall be your servant. And whoever exalts himself will be humbled, and he who humbles himself will be exalted. So, nirebuke ng ating Panginoon ang mga nagtuturo at kaugalian ng mga eskriba at mga pariseyo. Maiksi na ang oras niya dahil malapit na siya ipako sa krus. Binigyan niya ng babala ang mga tagapagsunod niya sa mga bulaan at nagtuturo na at mga namumuno. Ang mga guro ng batas, mga pariseyo ay nakaupo sa upuan ni Moises ay dapat sundin. Ngunit huwag gayahin ang ehemplo ng kanilang buhay kung ito ay hindi umaayon sa salita ni Kristo. Mag-ingat din tayo sa mga ministro at na naririnig natin, baka ang tinuturo nila ay hindi sumasang-ayon sa kanilang buhay. Mga bulaan na nagtuturo na pabigat sa tao na dapat gumawa ng mabuti, ng hagdan papunta sa langit. Hiwalay ito sa Panginoon Jesus. Ang pagmamahal nila sa karangalan at papuri ay hindi angkop sa pagsunod kay Kristo. Hindi rin sang-ayon sa salita ng Diyos na dapat sila ay masusunod. Pwede tayo magkaroon ng kadakilaan at karangalan only in the spirit and through the service of humanity. Sa katapusan, dapat ang kapahingahan natin ang Panginoon Jesus lamang. Sabi nga ni Jesus sa Matthew chapter 11 verse 28 and following, Come to me, all you who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your soul. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light.